It looks like Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is surging over the last 24 hours. We've seen some really good gains. We have seen Bitcoin hit 100,000 again. So what's in store? What have we got to look at? We're going to jump right into it. Let's try something a little different today. Let's go and look right at what is some of the positive things in the news. Why the surge? Well, there was, according to cryptoslate.com, some 74,000 positions were liquidated after the modest market recovery. This caused a surge. Some other exciting things that are happening is fresh addresses, lots of fresh addresses being made, and these addresses are accumulating a lot of Bitcoin, even during the downturn that we had the week before last and the week before. We lost our connection there for a second. I am on the road again. I apologize for that. Trying to get the charts and the news out to you as quickly as possible. Wanted to start you right off with what's happening in the market, what the big movers potentially, and what we see happening that could be pertinent. Let's look into some more of that, but let's go ahead and check our price charts, because this also gives us a good indication of what's going on. I had updated, lost our stream again, so let me try and lost our stream again. So let me try and hold this a little differently. It's going to be a little bouncy. I apologize. So our top cryptocurrency coins, we've got Bitcoin followed by Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano, Tron at 11, followed by most of the normal ones. I don't think we need to go over this too much. Litecoin at 28th place. Everything in the market doing pretty good. Some double-digit gains over the week are like Hyperliquid, Hydra, what else? Stellar. So yeah, big jump for XRP, 22%. If you're in XRP, congratulations to that. That coin hates me. Every time I buy it, it goes down. Every time I sell it, it goes up. So that's one coin I just can't get right. The other coins I do pretty good at. If you've been following me over drop, a little bit of a drop, a little bit of a drop. Is this one of the last chances to buy in on Bitcoin under 100,000 until we reach our all-time high and move into a down market following the end of this year, or possibly even the next year, if we are to have an amazing market, as many analysts and price predictors are suggesting, and the sentiment of the real true cryptocurrency Bitcoin maximalists are saying and believing, based on past market cycles. Yeah, we're going to have to see. Again, none of this is investing advice, but certainly a lot of great indicators. Altcoin season moving up a bit at 53%. So yeah, if you don't have some positions on altcoins, I would get ready. If you've been listening to my channel, you know I'm waiting for the market capitalization here, the total market cap of the coins to reach into the 4 trillion, 5 trillion area before I even think about getting out of most of my altcoin positions. Let's take a look at our Bitcoin price prediction. This is very encouraging. Hopefully I can zoom in on this without losing my connection here. We have our 5-day price prediction from coincodex.com at 108,000. That has moved up another $3,000, showing a very bullish market. We didn't look at fear and greed, but we might take a look at that really quickly. 1 month prediction at 124, 3 month 139, and if you don't blink, it'll probably be over 140,000 if this positive market accumulation period holds. All right, fear and greed, I do have it right here. I did notice that it is ticking up. We are looking at, where'd it go? doesn't seem to want to show up. Okay, yeah, I'm having a lot of connection difficulties. My apologies. Yeah, lost it completely. All right, let us look at CryptoQuant. Let me get this back to size so you can see. CryptoQuant here on Coinpedia has been in the Bitcoin arena for a long time. He is YouTube. Um, been in YouTube and an analyst and trader. CryptoQuant forecasts significant Bitcoin price in 2025, projecting target range from $145,000 to $249,000. Even after we dipped below 80K about a week and a half ago, we've been on a steady rise, and we topped 100K just in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's facing significant psychological resistance at zones between 100K and 108K. A break upon this, above it, can trigger a new bull rally, potentially leading to new all-time highs. We are waiting. We are waiting for that. That's what we want to see, and we are excited. Bitcoin bull market still has room to grow, according to a report from CryptoQuant, who puts out a lot of reports. They're really watching the charts and looking at the market indicators, the key indicators. They're looking at the 24-25 bull market. It has bounced back from below 90K, possibly entering a phase of horizontal correction, setting the stage for further gains. On the high end, Bitcoin could reach, according to CryptoQuant, 249,000 with a market cap of around $4.969 trillion. In more moderate scenario, the price could hit 197 by 2025, corresponding to market cap of about $3.929 trillion for Bitcoin alone. Of course, that's not the whole market capitalization. On the lower end, Bitcoin could reach 145,000, implying market capitalization of approximately 2.88 trillion, almost 3 trillion. Not that far off. You can look at this chart right here, the decline and then the accumulation. Should we beat that up again? This is amazing. A parabolic rally for Bitcoin could set off much anticipated altcoin season in the months ahead. Additionally, Bitcoin's dominance has shown signs of macro reversals after years of rising steady. So really everything is looking good in the market. I don't think we're going to be able to see the fear and greed today. That's just the way it goes. Wanted to look at this article. I'm not going to be able to get it. So other news that you might want to keep an eye on, according to Fool.com, this is the Motley Fool, that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin are surging, according to Chris McDonald here. This was written yesterday, but he says lower than expected core CPI reading, which we just heard about yesterday, driving. Oh, did I lose my connection? Hope not. It is driving the assets. More cuts are now priced into the market. They're anticipating more interest rate cuts. Investors appear to be taking a risk-on approach today, anticipating further drops in the new year. The question, of course, is whether or not this momentum can be sustained over a period of time. Bitcoin has had a notable 24-hour move today, increasing 2.6% since 4 p.m. Eastern Time yesterday. Ethereum, almost 1%. Dogecoin, 3.09%, with a surge of 3.8 and 4.4 respectively. 3.8 for Ethereum, 4.4 for Dogecoin. These moves have taken Bitcoin back to the pivotal 100K mark, the largest digital asset. Of course, we know all that. There's the charts right there with the key data points. Macro day baby is what he says. This CPI report came in lower than expected, a decline of 0.1%, leading a surge in interest among investors for other high growth and speculative asset classes. So this is all very, very forward looking, and we are seeing that when the water when the tide rises, all boats float. So, of course, Ethereum and Dogecoin are going to go up with Bitcoin. So, after that, we will have the altcoin season once Bitcoin hits its um, all-time highs. They also have some article here on should you invest 100,000 or not. Well, you know, it's had such great gains. By the way, with that in mind, I have made a special edition video for Friday. I'm going to be on the road Friday, and because of that, I will not be able to do a live stream. But I wanted to connect with you guys and get something out there. So I'm going to talk about getting rich by investing in Bitcoin, basically. The title of the episode is something like that. Investing in why you need to invest in Bitcoin or something to that nature. I forget the exact title. But we're going to go into some of the reasons why Bitcoin is such an incredible store of wealth, storage of wealth, and why some of the reasons you should consider why you would invest in it, what the past history has shown us, even though that's no guarantee of the future, it does seem to be holding true. Each cycle, history does tell us something. It tells us over time, over a 4-year cycle, Bitcoin's going up, 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 and it beats every other asset. So we're going to go in and look at every other asset that traditional people invest in and talk about why those investments are barely, if even anything, preserving your wealth at all. So that is interesting. Gold, stocks, all these things may not even be preserving your wealth at all. So take a look at that with me. It's a real brief article. I've got lots of charts and statistics for you that we go through in a nice, easy to understand format where you can really understand Bitcoin more and take your knowledge level up to a higher level. We'll also talk about how you can strategies that people use on how to borrow against their Bitcoin and keep their Bitcoin forever and maintain wealth. So those are all very interesting topics. I hope you have a great day. Again, please like and subscribe. I am out of here. Goodbye.